Leetcode daily challenge. It is a medium one today. Number 3494. Find the minimum amount of time to brew portions. The key point here in this problem is to keep brewing portions sequentially. So I'll put it into a table with start time and finish time. So start and finish. First, if we add up the skill of all wizards, 12. Start at time of 0 after the brew. Obviously, the last wizard can finish the first portion at 12 multiplied by 5, which is 60. Then if they keep going, start at time of 60. Brew the next, brew the next, brew the next, until all wizards finish all the portions. But the trick here is that there are gonna be some overlaps. When this last wizard start at the time of 60, there could be some wizards before him are not ready yet. So the approach here will be to find out the overlap and postpone the start time if necessary. Say this is a wizard A, and this is a wizard B. If B want to start at some time, say 60, check 2 time points for wizard A. So this is the time that wizard A finished the last portion, and this is the time that wizard A finished the current portion. We want to compare these two time points and choose a later one or a larger number. So in this way, we can get rid of the overlap, postpone it until we finish all the portions. This is where we finish the first magic. one thing we have to be aware that, well, after this 10 point, we want to go backwards. So in this way, we start from the last wizard, then the second last, then the one before it. In this way, we can update the whole 10 point until the first wizard. So backward.